Welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this Olympiad maths equation together. It says 4 raised power x plus 2 raised power x is equal to 6. Let me show you guys how we do this step by step. Now if you see here, it says 4 and 2. We can express 4 in the base of 2, alright? And 4 in the base of 2 is equal to 2 raised power 2. So now let's replace 4 with 2 raised power 2 here, alright? So doing that, I have 2 raised to power 2. And then I have raised power x, meaning I can just multiply by x. So I have 2 raised power 2x plus 2 raised power x is equal to 6. At this point, what I can simply do is this. Because you can see 2 raised power 2, but then there's x beside it 2, and then there's 2 raised power x. Let me choose to separate these 2 and x. So let me show you what I'll do now. So I'll just simply write this as 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power x is equal to 6. Now let me show you that we have gotten to a point where we have an identical something. Now if you look closely, we have this and this being identical. Let me choose to say, let's equate this into a variable. So let's say that 2 raised to power x, for example, is equal to p. So what do I have from here? It means that in variable I have p squared plus p is equal to 6. Collecting like terms, I have p squared plus p minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this way I factorize. What's common here? I have p and I have p, and I have here to be p minus 2 into p plus 3 is equal to 0. I just factorize this. Now this invariably means that p is equal to 2 or negative 3. Now, but recall that we said something in the beginning. Recall that 2 raised to power x is equal to p. So when p is equal to 2, for example, so when p is equal to 2, it means that 2 raised to power x is equal to 2, hence x is equal to 1, right? You can see what we just did here. Now, or when p equals negative 3, it means that 2 raised to power x is equal to negative 3. Okay? And in order to take s, we take the logarithm of both sides. So let's say log of 2 raised to power x is equal to log of negative 3. And log of 2 raised to power x is x log 2 is equal to log of negative 3. Hence x is equal to log of negative 3 over log of 2. So it's either the answer is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to this. Thanks for watching, guys. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe, and share.